goal is to find someone who charges you rather than leaves you feeling drained. Someone who encourages peace, so you both can go to bed with ease. The goal is to find the peak together. The goal is not to find someone to be perfect for there really is no such thing. The goal is to find someone who makes you want to try, while enabling your soul to sing.
You look so amazing. I absolutely love the dress. That's perfect. Unbelievable. Rachel Victoria Klobchar, since the day I met you, I knew you were special. The more time we spent together, the more I realized I not only wanted, but needed you in my life. Some days I saw a silly, goofy, hilarious, and fun Rachel. Others showed how creative, ambitious, confident, and determined you are. What has always remained constant, though, is how effortlessly kind, genuine, and selfless you carry yourself through each day.
Doug, I reflect on how you and I have thought about this moment an endless amount of times, how we would feel and what it would look like. I woke up this morning without a single doubt in my being. You see, I have never felt the emotional rush of certainty, security, excitement, and love, all at once, knowing that I get to ride through this life beside you.
And I will always want to give you a reason in me to hold on to. I will turn.
You are the definition of beautiful, inside and out, and this is what makes this the easiest decision of my life.
They say that life is all about making choices, and this choice today is an everlasting one that I've been anxiously waiting for a very, very long time.
I promise to respect, support, and encourage you through every step of life.
You ground me, yet lift me up daily, and are truly the other half that I have always hoped for.
No matter where life leads us, I know that as long as you are there, that is where I am meant to be. I promise to always see you with the same eyes and the same heart that I see you with at this very moment. Rachel, it's you. It's always been you. It will always be you. I love you.
I can't imagine life without you, and I can't wait to keep doing life with you. Doug, I choose you for the rest of my time.
You may now share a kiss as husband and wife.
Here's somebody. Hi, honey. You look awesome.